Welcome to Computer Online Class for Standard 8th. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. I, Mrs. Savita Srivasto, your computer teacher from Kartika High School and Junior College. Welcome back, students, for Computer Virtual Online Class. I hope everyone is healthy and safe with your family members. So, let us start with a new chapter.
So let's get started.
In a previous virtual class, we had completed chapter 1 computer accessories in 3 parts of videos. Now let us learn about internet and its browser. Chapter 2 understanding the concept of internet. So student, let us learn chapter 2 understanding the concept of internet part 1. In this chapter you are going to learn some topics related to internet. They are the internet, use of internet, what is required for internet connection in detail, what is HTTP and URL, search engine, how to search a school website, and types of domain. Understanding the concept of internet. Chapter 2 Part 1. Now let us learn the term internet. The internet is the wider network that allows computer networks around the world run by companies, governments, universities, and other organizations to communicate with each other globally. What is internet in simple words? The internet is a global wide area network that connects computer systems across the world. It includes several high bandwidth data lines that comprises the internet as backbone. These lines are connected to major internet hubs that distribute data to other locations such as web servers and ISPs, that is internet service providers. Now let us see the use of internet. It is a network of computers interconnected throughout the world with the help of telephone line and satellites. It is used in bank and business organization, government organization, shopping mall and supermarket, traffic control, tourism and ticket booking, school and universities, science and space technology, and in small offices, etc. So these are the places where the internet is used. So let us see what is required for internet connection. To connect to the internet, you need the following 4 things. First one is a computer. Second is a modem and telephone line. Third is an internet browser software, that is example Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, etc. and an application software to connect your computer system to the ISP. Fourth one is an account with an internet service provider, ISP, that is IP address. To connect to the internet, you need a computing device, a connection device, and an internet service provider. A computing device can be personal computer, portable computer, tablet computer, or even a devices like cell phone, smartphone, or a handheld devices. To connect your computer to the internet, you need a connection device such as modem. Modem converts digital information into analog information and transmit it over phone line. A modem can either be built in your computer or be externally attached to it. An ISP is the company that provides internet connectivity to individual businesses and organizations. What is a browser? A browser is software that is used to access the internet. The most common browser software titles on the market are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google's Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple's Safari, and Opera. So these are the most used web browsers for internet connection. Web browser. A web browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. When a user requests a web page from a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary content from the web server and then displays the page on the user device. What is URL? A URL incorporates the domain name along with the other details information to create a complete address or web address to direct a browser to a specific page online called a web page. In essence, it's a set of direction and every web page has a unique one. URL is an abbreviation that stands for the term Uniform Resource Locator. As given below, example, you can see the URL http://2 www.google.com. It's a complete URL for opening the web page google.com. Now let us see the URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Now given below example, you can see the URL is consist of protocol, subdomain and the main domain name, that is http://2 www.facebook.com. Now here http is a protocol, www is subdomain and facebook.com is domain name. I hope you have understood the term URL. HTTP. HTTP acts as a request and response protocol. HTTP gives user a way to interact with web resources such as HTML file by transmitting hypertext message between the client and the server. The HTTP client generally use transmission control protocol, that is TCP connection to communicate with server. The full form of HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Now here you can see how the web works and how HTTP makes that possible. The full form of HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a protocol which is used to send request and get response through the server. Now here the user is typing in the URL www.myWebsite.com/product/myproduct.html. He is searching some product, he is sending the request and the HTTP takes the request to the server and it gets back the response to the user on his device. So this way the HTTP does the work on web. Internet search engine. A search engine searches the information for user from his or her computer system. Same way, the most public visible form of search engine is a web search engine. which searches for information on the World Wide Web. Search engine is a web-based tool that enable users to locate information on the World Wide Web. Popular examples of search engines are Google, Yahoo, and MSN Search. The basic function of a search engine can be described as crawling, data mining, indexing, and query processing. Crawling is the act of sending small program bots out to collect information. Data mining is storing the information collected by the bots. Indexing is ordering the information systematically. So this way search engine work on internet. Web search engine. The top 5 search engine are Google Search, Yahoo Search, MSN Search, AOL Search, Bing Search. So these are the top 5 popular web search on www, that is World Wide Web. Example, how to open our school website. Students, by now you must have become a techno savvy. One most important thing every student should know, how to open their school website and be always connected and get update of your school through website. School website give all the information about your school academic year. A school website addresses with the prospective parents and their childrens who require information about the school exams, results, admission procedure, open day, holiday list, etc. So let us learn how to open our school website. On the screen there are 3 steps shown. The first one is open a Google search engine, and in Google search address bar type URL www.beskurla.org and press enter key. After pressing enter, you will find number of website on the screen. From that you select Bharat Education Society, Kartika High School. Click on that link and you will find our school website get open on the screen as shown in the image. Now student, let us learn what is domain name. By now you must have understood what is domain name. A domain name is your website name. A domain name is the address where internet user can access your website. A domain name is used for finding and identifying computers on the internet. Computer use IP addresses, which are a series of numbers. However, it is difficult for human to remember the string of numbers. Because of this, domain names were developed and used to identify identities on the internet rather than using IP addresses. Example, 192.168.0.220 is an IP address of some website. But a domain name can be remembered easily, instead of remembering the string of number. A domain name can be any combination of letters and numbers, and it can be used in a combination of the various domain name extensions such as .com, .net, .org, .edu, etc. The domain name must be registered before you can use it. Every domain name is unique. No two websites can have the same domain name. Here are some of the examples below scrolling: www.google.com, www.yahoo.com, www.facebook.com, and our school website www.beskurla.org. The government website is www.india.gov.in. Then Mumbai University link is www.mumbai mu.ac.in. So you can go through this website while learning on computer internet. Why do we need domain name? Domain name on the internet. Your domain name is your unique identity. Another reason for a business to register a domain name is to protect copyrights and trademarks, to build credibility, increase brand awareness, and search engine position. So given below example, you can see the domain name is www.amazon.com, www.flipkart.com. So by the domain name you can make out the name of the company website. Now let us see types of domains. Various types of domains are used on the internet to distinguish between the types of website like .com is for commercial, .edu or .ac is for educational, .net belonging to a networking, hosting and domain registration related website, .org is for organization versus website hosting or domain registration related website, .gov is government website, .in is for Indian website, .au is from Australia website, .uk is from United Kingdom website, .info is from informational websites. So these are the various types of domains. Summary for this video. Chapter 2, Understanding the concept of internet. The topics we covered today: the internet, use of internet, what is required for internet connection, what is HTTP and URL, search engine, how to search the school website, and types of domain. So student, meet you all in the next class. Goodbye, stay home, stay safe.